Hey guys, this is Henry here again. All right, I still used to get questions like this from my clients. I can't find this browser icon. Henry, what should I do? How do I go about it? Okay guys, it is very easy to add this browser icon. Most times if you're using an iPhone, you might not find this browser icon on your Trust wallet. So what you want to do is very simple. What you want to do is go to your Safari. Don't use Google Chrome. Don't use Google Chrome. Go to your Safari. This is Safari. Once you type Safari, what you want to do is add this. I want you to type this on your Safari. What you want to type is trust colon. This is called colon. This thing here is called colon. Then slash. Then write browser underscore enable. All right, I'll be pasting this link in the description below in case you can't type it yourself. So you just copy and go and paste on your Safari. That is if you're using an iPhone. Mostly it's always iPhone users that do find this problem. So once you do this, click go. Once you click go, this is what will appear. Open this page in Trust. Once you click open, automatically the browser icon would appear on your Trust wallet. It's as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much.